Did you know that starting January 2026, your rent can actually save you money on your taxes? Let's talk about the new Nigeria Rent Relief. Under the new Tax Act, you can deduct 20% of your annual rent from your taxable income. The only catch? It's capped at 500,000 naira a year. So if your rent is 1 million naira, you subtract 200,000 naira from your taxable pay. If your rent is 3 million naira, you can only subtract the maximum of 500,000 naira. Either way, you're paying less tax. To claim this, you need 3 things. 1. A formal tenancy agreement. 2. Bank transfer proof or receipts. And 3. Inform your HR if you're a PAYE employee so they can adjust your monthly tax. One warning though, this is strictly for tenants. If you live in your own house, you don't get this specific relief. And please, keep your receipts safe for the taxman. Share this with a friend who's always complaining about rent. Follow for more money tips.